How do we fix a backup valve that's stuck in reverse? The jet is stuck open. Okay, number one, turn it off. Okay, then we'll open it up. Okay, first thing we're going to do is loosen the collar on the backup valve. Use that couple of pairs of pliers. Okay, finally got it coming apart. Get the cap off. Just work that back and forth, it'll come out. Okay, once you get it apart, usually the problem is this wheel, the small wheel. You can see it's riding too high and it's missing out on that gear that it needs to turn. So we need to get it pushed back down. So all we gotta do is slide the gear back down on its there we go. Yeah, I moved it just enough. You can see the pin sticking out. Now it's now everything's spinning just like it's supposed to. So just adjust the small wheel by pushing it down onto the bar, and problem solved. Okay, it's fixed. You can hear the gear in there turning. Now we're going to open. That would be your normal backup mode. There we go. Off goes the cleaner.